It's Hudson. We're making air fryer donuts. We're making it quick and easy. We got this brand new air fryer, so we're gonna make donuts. Make sure you get grams of flaky biscuits. First, you get your baking pan. Start laying your biscuits on your baking pan. Now you gotta smush them out. Now we're gonna make holes in them. Now we're ready to cook the donuts. We're going to spray some coconut oil on the bottom of the air fryer. Next, we're going to put 3 or 4 donuts in the air fryer. Make sure they're not touchy. Now we're gonna put this in the air fryer and cook it. And cook for 355 minutes. Check your donuts halfway through. Perfect. 1/2 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Take them out of the air fryer, then put butter on the donuts. Sprinkle some cinnamon sugar. Yummy.